Today we have a very easy job to do. The installation of a mixer tap is a simple operation that anyone can handle. As an example, we will install a mixer tap for bathtub and shower or wash basin from the Vigo line and a Cersanit shower head. Let's start with the wash basin mixer tap. First, check that all the parts have been included in the box. You will also need the following tools: spanners, a spirit level, a drill, a screwdriver, a tape measure, masking tape and Teflon tape. Firstly, screw the two threaded spindles by hand into the mixer tap, followed by the flexible hoses for cold and hot water. Next, place the sealing O-ring over the spindles and hoses. Insert the completed mixer through the opening in the wash basin. Now, from below, add the two crescent-shaped washers on the hoses and spindles. First the rubber washers and then the metal ones. Screw the nuts on by hand and then tighten with a spanner. Connect the hoses to the angle valves and tighten them also with a spanner. The last job is to install the click-clack drain plug. Install one gasket from above and the other gasket and nut from below, then tighten the half siphon. Check the operation of the mixer. The Vigo model, along with an ecological water-safe aerator, features a two-stage water flow regulator for economy or full flow. This modern technology ensures savings by making it possible to reduce the amount of water used by over 50%. Now check the click-clack drain plug. Everything's ready. Installation of the wash basin mixer tap took just a moment, so now it's time to install the bath shower mixer tap and the shower head. Check that the installation set for the mixer tap and the shower head is complete. Start by preparing the non-concentric connectors. Seal the threads of these connectors with Teflon tape. Screw the connectors in by hand and then tighten with a spanner. To avoid damaging their threads, do not touch the threaded ends. Once tightened, check the spacing of the connectors. This should correspond to the spacing between the mixer tap's connection stubs, with 15 centimeters being standard. Make sure the connections are level. Their depth should be adjusted to the thread caps. Then screw on the caps. Place the gaskets in the nut sockets on the mixer tap. Attach the taps by screwing the nuts by hand. Then protect the taps with masking tape and tighten with a spanner. And that's the job done. Place the shower head's clamp against the wall where it is to be installed. It's important to adjust its height to that of the user. Mark the points for the holes and dowels. Check the level with the spirit level, drill the holes and insert the dowels and then the screws. Finally, attach the shower head clamp. Screw the head onto the shower hose and the hose onto the mixer tap. The shower head features several flow options that can be changed as needed. The mixer tap has been easily installed. Remember that this small element is a very important feature of the bathroom's equipment. Its modern design accents the room's appearance, and its innovative technology enable us to be eco-friendly every day.